I'm gonna show you how I started getting from 10 orders to 30 orders a day on Meesho. As you can see, very recently on 22nd March, I got somewhere around 35 orders. On 23rd month, I got 33 orders. On 21st month, I got 29. On 20th month, I got 37. Whereas previously in the starting of this month, I was getting somewhere around 12 orders, 11 orders, 8 orders, 13 orders, 14 orders, and so on, right? So what I did, with the help of which I started getting somewhere around 30 plus orders a day. For that, you need to watch the video till the very end, because I'm going to tell you the exact strategies that I use in order to start getting 30 plus orders a day. Also, I have a surprise for you where you can join my exclusive WhatsApp community where I share all my strategies inside that community. So in order to join that, check the description below. Now, the first mistake that I have seen many people doing is that they do not check at what price they should sell their product. So for example, I don't know if you guys check the pricing section or not, but if you go into the pricing section, then over here you have this where you have all products, losing orders, losing views, best price, losing views, where Meesho suggests you that you need to lower down your pricing so that, like, because your competitors are selling at a very low price compared to you, and you are losing views because you are not able to capture the attention of the users because of your high price. That is why Meesho suggests this. So without even looking at this factor, what I'm gonna show you is like something different. So if I just go on this page and if I just go on the last page, because I want to show you something very unique. Now you can see that I am selling this product, right, where I'm selling the Indian flags. Now you can see that, like, I am charging a different amount of money. But before I charge different amount of money, what do I need to have a look at is that I have to go to on Meesho. Okay, my bad. And then you need to search down the same product on Meesho. So now I will be searching Indian flags for cars, or I can also search for car dashboard. So you see, the same flag has appeared and someone is selling it 120 rupees, the same product that I have that I am selling at somewhere around 145. This is the customer price, because it includes your shipping fees plus your profit plus your product cost, right? So my product cost at 145, the same product cost at rupees 120. So now just imagine that why people will buy at higher price from you when the same product is available at a lower price. Obviously no. So in that case you need to lower down your profit. But now you will be asking, if we lower down our profit, then how we will make money? Guys, you don't make money per product. You make money when you sell a lot of products a day. So even if you make, let's say, only 10 rupees a product, which I am not gonna recommend you, because having a profit of 10 rupees on Meesho is a very bad thing, because it also includes, because sometimes product gets returned as well and then you have to pay very hefty price for the return. So having just 10 rupees profit on Meesho is not ideal. So we will talk about it later on, but let's say you make somewhere around 10 rupees per product and you are selling, let's say, somewhere around 3000 products per day. That means that now you are making 10 rupees per product. That means that you are making 3000 rupees in profit per day, which makes 90,000 rupees profit in a month. So instead of focusing on selling just one product a day, focus on selling in quantity, because the more you will sell, the better profit will come to you. And that is all about this online e-commerce. So now previously I was selling this product at 145 because I know that this product costs more than 25 rupees. Then I have very good instinct that, like, people will not buy from me because of heavier price, because of high price. So what you have to do, you have to match the price. If you can, if you can match the price of your competitor, then please do so, because that is where you will understand that you will be able to generate more sales, because Meesho doesn't work on keywords, right? Just look at the keyword that I have searched. Indian flags for car dashboard, and then diesel is also coming up. Like, it has no significance with the keyword that I've searched, but still it is coming up because Meesho does not work on keywords. It works on different algo. And for that, I have made a lot of different videos on my channel. So if you go on my channel, which is youtube.com/, Rohan Gulati 504, you can see my URL right over here. And if you go on the videos section, then you can see that I've made a lot of videos on the Meesho where I have like stepped down all the exact steps that I have done. So for example, like in this video, I'm talking about how I made 30,000 profit from a single product. And then other videos are also there. My Meesho journey, how I made 30,000 in just 30 days. So these are the two different topics, the two different videos. Similarly, I am creating a lot of videos on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. So the thing is that you need to match down your price with your competitor, because that is where you will be able to identify whether your product will be sold in the market or not. This is the first scenario. The second scenario is, the second point is that you need to do multiple listing for the same product. Do not just do just one single listing like you do on Amazon, like you do on Flipkart. On Meesho, if you want to sell something, then do multiple listing for the same product. So now I'm gonna show you the same thing. So I'm gonna open this product. Now this product is sold by A1 seller, which has somewhere around 99 products in its pocket, and they have got 6326 ratings. Now if you just click on view shop, then you can see that like he is selling the same product multiple times by listing it multiple times on Meesho. For example, look at this product, Indian flag, and let's try to find out the Indian flag again. So this is a different product, the Indian flag again. Uh, I think he didn't list down the Indian flag multiple times, but I can see one product that he has listed down multiple times, which is this card holder. You see, this is listed here, this is listed here, this is listed here as well, and then it is listed on the first page as well, guys. You see over here, over here, over here, over here. So he has listed this card business holder multiple times, and that is what I just mentioned, that you have to list down your product multiple times, because Meesho does not work on keywords. Meesho has very different algorithm. For that you need to watch my previous videos. But the trick is that when you list down your same product multiple times, that is where you get high chances of selling your product on Meesho in large quantities. So if you want to sell your product on Meesho, then list down your product multiple times so that like it starts appearing in different categories. Because sometimes when people searches different type of categories, your product gets appeared. For example, like let's say now I want to buy car light, right? So now we can see different type of products. You see a different product has appeared here. I don't know why it is here. I don't know why this cleaning kit is appearing in the section where I'm searching car light, because I want car light. So Meesho does not work on the keywords. It has a very different significance, guys, and that is why I always say that list your product multiple times. So these are two categories that I've just showed you. That first, do the research by searching on Meesho that at what price your competitors are selling product. Now, the second thing is that you have to list on your product multiple times, so that like whenever someone searches any keyword, it might be possible that like your one of your listing will get appear inside that feed. So if you do all these things, you will start getting multiple orders. But wait, I have three more tips that I have shared inside my WhatsApp community, and the link is in the description below. So if you want those three tips, guys, then join my WhatsApp community and you will get those three tricks inside that community. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until that time, guys, bye bye.